Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is congestive cardiac failure. This is a common pediatric emergency. Congestive cardiac failure, this is the common pediatric emergency. Congestive cardiac failure जो है, it is also termed as congestive heart failure. CHF. Congestive cardiac failure जो है, it is also termed as congestive heart failure, CHF. Now, CCF, congestive cardiac failure, can be defined as it is the inability of heart to maintain an output at rest or during stress. Meaning there is systolic failure and also inability to receive blood into the ventricular cavities during diastole. That means there occurs diastolic failure. Congestive cardiac heart failure जो है, it can be defined as the inability of the heart to maintain an output at rest or during stress. That means कि there is systolic failure and also inability to receive blood into the ventricular cavities during diastole. That means there is also diastolic failure. ये हम सिंपली बोल सकते हैं जो कार्डियक कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर होता है, ये क्या होता है जब हार्ट जो है वो अनेबल होता है टू पंप एन एडुकेट अमाउंट ऑफ ब्लड. जब हार्ट जो है अनेबल होता है टू पंप एन एडुकेट अमाउंट ऑफ ब्लड, दैट ब्लड इज नेसेसरी फॉर मेटाबॉलिक डिमांड्स ऑफ द बॉडी. दैट इज नेसेसरी फॉर metabolic demands of body. And also heart जो है that is unable to receive the blood into the ventricular cavities during diastole, meaning there is diastolic failure. Cardiac congestive heart failure जो है, it is also known as cardiac heart failure. और इसमें क्या होता है कि जो हार्ट है वो अनेबल होता है कि वो आउटपुट करे. Heart is unable to pump an adequate amount of blood to meet the needs of metabolic demands of the body. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, this results in the accumulation of excessive blood. Excessive blood volume जो है that gets accumulated. In the pulmonary and systemic venous system. जब हार्ट अनेबल होता है to pump the blood into the systemic circulation to meet the metabolic needs of the body, इसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है, जो excessive blood volume है वो accumulate हो जाता है into the pulmonary and the systemic venous system में. जो एक congestive cardiac failure है, it is usually a syndrome. It is usually a syndrome due to various anatomical or pathological causes. जो congestive cardiac failure है ये एक syndrome है due to various anatomical और pathological causes. Mostly इसमें क्या होता है जो systolic failure, that means when the heart is unable to pump blood, an adequate amount of blood to meet the needs of the metabolic demands of the body. Output, that means कि output जो है वो कम होता है, that is the systolic failure. This is much common problem. Systolic failure is much more common clinical problem. This is a congestive cardiac failure. Definition of congestive cardiac failure. Now the etiology of congestive cardiac failure. What are the causes that are responsible for congestive cardiac failure? Etiology. That means causes that are responsible for congestive cardiac failure. जो congestive cardiac failure है, it may result due to congenital heart disease. It may result due to congenital heart disease and also due to acquired heart disease. Congestive cardiac failure जो है, it may be congenital heart disease. That means कि present हो सकता है since birth या ये present हो सकता है after birth भी हो सकता है congestive cardiac failure. अब हम देखते हैं इसमें कौन कौन से causes इसके लिए responsible होते हैं, किसकी वजह से congestive cardiac failure होता है. There are various factors responsible for congestive cardiac failure. Various causes इसके लिए responsible है. Like there is increased blood volume with the left to right shunt. There is increased blood volume with the left to right shunt causes right ventricular hypertrophy. This also results in congestive cardiac failure. Also, rheumatic. Another cause is the rheumatic heart disease. Increased overload of heart, that is resulting from valvular stenosis or correlation of aorta. Increased overload of heart resulting from valvular stenosis or correction of aorta also results in congestive cardiac failure. Also, conditions such as, there are some conditions that are responsible for CCF, that is such as acute glomerulonephritis and obstructive lung diseases. In addition to this, myocarditis, hypertension, respiratory infections, anemia. These are also the causes of congestive cardiac failure. When there is myocarditis, hypertension, respiratory infections, and anemia, these also results and may cause congestive cardiac failure. Now the pathophysiology. Pathophysiology of CCF. In CCF, there is decreased outflow, or we can say जो heart होता है that is unable to pump blood. That means systolic failure plus इसमें diastolic failure भी होता है. Now the pathophysiology, there is firstly there is decreased cardiac output. That leads to inadequate supply of oxygen and nutrients to tissues. When there is decreased cardiac output, that means systolic failure होता है. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो टिश्यूज है उनमें inadequate सप्लाई होती है of oxygen and nutrients की. To meet the, किस लिए? To meet the metabolic demands of the body of heart rate increases. As to meet metabolic demands of body, जो heart rate होती है that gets increased. Heart rate increases to enhance cardiac output, which result is to increase. This result is to increase stroke volume. That means cardiac output, जो cardiac output होता है that is equivalent to heart rate multiply stroke volume. डिक्रीज्ड आउटपुट होता है, कार्डियक आउटपुट डिक्रीज्ड होता है. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो टिश्यूज होते हैं उनको प्रॉपर सप्लाई नहीं मिलती है ऑक्सीजन और न्यूट्रिएंट्स की. टू मीट मेटाबॉलिक डिमांड्स ऑफ द बॉडी, इसकी वजह से टू मीट द मेटाबॉलिक डिमांड्स ऑफ द बॉडी, जो हार्ट रेट है दैट गेट्स इंक्रीज्ड टू एनहांस कार्डियक आउटपुट. दिस रिजल्ट्स इन व्हिच रिजल्ट्स टू इंक्रीज स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम. जो सिस्टमिक वेस्कुलर रेजिस्टेंस है, systemic vascular resistance also increases to maintain blood pressure. Systemic vascular जो है that is increased किस लिए? To maintain blood pressure. Reduced blood flow हो जाता है. There is reduced blood flow to kidneys. There is reduced blood flow to kidneys that decreases glomerular filtration. जो ग्लैमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन होती है वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है. And water retention leading to edema and diminished urine output. Thus, cardiac output decreases further. वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है फर्दर. कार्डियक आउटपुट डिक्रीजेस फर्दर. सिस्टमिक वेस्कुलर रेजिस्टेंस जो है दैट इंक्रीजेस किस लिए? टू मेंटेन ब्लड प्रेशर. जो किडनीज है उनको उनमें जो ब्लड फ्लो होता है वो कम हो जाता है. डिक्रीज्ड आउटपुट होता है तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है? रिड्यूस्ड ब्लड फ्लो टू किडनीज. जब ब्लड फ्लो किडनीज में कम हो जाता है दैट आल्सो रिजल्ट्स इन डिक्रीज्ड ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट. जो ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट है वो भी कम हो जाती है. और वाटर रिटेंशन होता है लीडिंग टू. जब वाटर रिटेंशन जब ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट कम हो गई इसकी वजह से वाटर रिटेंशन होता है. जब वाटर रिटेंशन हो गया दैट लीड्स टू एडिमा एंड डिमिनिश्ड यूरिन आउटपुट. आल्सो फर्दर कार्डियक आउटपुट डिक्रीज हो जाता है. फर्दर इसमें क्या होता है? इंक्रीज venous pressure due to poor contraction of failing heart. Results in venous congestion and edema. So, pulmonary system जो pulmonary system होता है that gets also congested. In long term, myocardial failure. Thus, myocardial hypertrophy. And chamber dilatation. This leads to progressive heart failure. Increased venous pressure होता है किसकी वजह से? ड्यू टू पुअर कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ फेलिंग हार्ट. फेलिंग हार्ट की वजह से क्या होती है? पुअर कंट्रैक्शन हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से इंक्रीज्ड वीनस प्रेशर होता है. दैट रिजल्ट्स इन वीनस कंजेशन. जब वीनस कंजेशन हो गया दिस आल्सो रिजल्ट्स इन एडिमा. So, जो pulmonary system होता है that becomes congested. Pulmonary system becomes congested. जब long term illness होती है, long term illness की वजह से क्या हो सकता है? myocardial failure हो सकता है, myocardial hypertrophy and chamber dilatation occurs, in which this leads to progressive heart failure. This is the pathophysiology of congestive cardiac failure.